with feet called roots that grow under the ground. Its arms are branches that stretch out wide, with leafy fingers where creatures hide. My family tree has a bushy crown that casts large shadows all around. It keeps me safe from the burning sun as I swing through the air having so much fun. Did you ever imagine that a tree grows a body just like you and me? Stand up tall, spread your arms out wide, sway your body from side to side. My family tree lives in our backyard. It has skin called bark and it's very hard. Before the olives drop to the soil, we harvest them and make olive oil. My family tree grows over the sand. Its droopy tendrils tickle my hands. I'll pretend I'm a pirate sailing over the sea on a ship I call Hairy Armpit Tree. My family tree flowers in the spring. It makes me feel happy and all the birds sing. Holding hands with my friends, we dance around as the tree spreads blossoms all over the ground. Did you ever imagine that a tree might like to play like you and me? Stand up tall, spread your arms out wide, sway your body from side to side. My family tree is a good place to read. It grew in our courtyard from a little seed. It gives us fruit all crunchy and red, and helps us keep our community fed. Our family tree is like a tower. Its branches are full of whānau power. There's Koru and Kuya, Papa and Nan, Mom and Dad, and the whole jolly clan. Did you ever imagine that a tree might belong to its own big family? Stand up tall, spread your arms out wide, sway your body from side to side. Our cousins are sitting on tree branches too. I'm happy to share my tree branch with you. Stand up tall, spread your arms out wide, sway your body from side to side. Stand up tall, spread your arms out wide, sway your body from side